stroganoff meat. Where?
Babe, you want to be in this review video?
Just a minute, babe.
Okay. I am recording, so watch your language.
I'll go to my room and be quiet.
Well, I want you to come here for a moment.
I will.
Okay.
Let me stick this in the refrigerator because I'm going to make stroganoff for dinner. Unless you've had enough stroganoff.
No.
I haven't had it in a while. I'm ready for some more rice. I love stroganoff. I got light scallop green this time.
Hey, gang, Poppy and Poppy's wife here in the computer room. Say hi, Poppy's wife.
Hi, it's Nana here.
If you've seen my review of the porch swing entitled "Don't Buy This POS," well, this is an update. You see that? Please don't do that. I'm trying
Just
to.
it. I want him to see.
Yeah, I know. I'm getting to it.
Okay.
You see these two ends? They got looks like cable ends and holes and all that. You see these two ends? One of them's missing it. I tightened a screw on it and it broke.
In half.
Pot metal. This is supposed to keep the swing from swinging in the wind and dropping you off the cliff.
And knocking you over.
Pot metal sways in with two spikes. Garbage. I replaced it with the cheapest of that twisted chain you get by the foot at the hardware store. Snip, snip.
Superior.
Done. Look at my review on this swing that these cables come from. It's entitled, "Don't Buy This POS." Do not buy it. I'm serious. Unless you got a real good Saul Goodman to go after the hardware store.
Trippy. I like your little...
Unless you got a good ambulance chaser to go after the hardware store, do not buy the piece of shit these come attached to.
And they were...
And like Nana was reminding me, they wanted $500 for this thing. I know why Christy got it for $2. On sale. They were probably so glad that someone would buy one. It was a Ace Hardware outlet.
Was it Ace Hardware?
Not Ace?
Four Corners.
Four Corners buys from Ace, dear.
Huh?
Four Corners is an Ace outlet.
It's a True Value Hardware. Vendor Mill is Ace.
Ah, okay, True Value Hardware. I'm sorry, not Ace.
Ace is Mendo.
The True Value place. So you see this swing?
That's their idea of value.
That's what they want to sell you.
For 500.
Look up Saul Goodman's phone number if you're going to buy this. Maybe he can get some of your pain and suffering
all the
back.
headaches we had putting it together.